guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun one. We're gonna take a look at what's in this season's FABFITFUN subscription box. This is the only subscription box that I pay for. This is my, I think, third or fourth month having this box. The FABFITFUN box is seasonally, so you do get 4 boxes a year, and I actually just upgraded to where I can pick what's in my box. Also, I can get first dibs on like the add-ons and stuff. I'm super excited about that. I actually upgraded a little bit too late for this month's, but next season's box I should be able to get my box a little bit earlier and then also pick if I want to add any add-ons. I think that's one of my favorite parts about the FABFITFUN is that one, you get full-size products of kind of like a lifestyle box, and you also get access to member-only like early access discounts. I remember one month they had the Ricky mirrors on there and I was too late and it was sold out. They do have really good like name brand discount items, so that's the part I'm looking forward to, and then also being able to pick what goes into my box. With my monthly subscription, I just get whatever they give me and it varies between members. My first month that I got my box, there's usually a discount code for your first month of subscribing to FABFITFUN, so if I find one, I will link it down in the description box. But let's go ahead and get this month's opened. The one thing that is a struggle for me is when I don't have time to film my unboxing right when I get it, so it's just like staring at me while I open it. So I'm super excited to open this up. Wow. This box is so good. Okay, so just looking at the box, I'm super excited to dig into this. The one thing that I love about FABFITFUN is that usually the products that are in the box are what's trending. So they're things that I've been wanting to try but don't really want to purchase. So I'm super excited. The first thing in no particular order, AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. I'm super excited for this product because as you can see, I have bleached hair. So anytime that I can get additional moisture wherever I want, I definitely can't wait to try this. And this is 6 ounces. So this is like, comparing to my head, it's a lot of product. It's not like you get the miniature trial size that only lasts a couple weeks. Like, this is a full-size product. Next up, we have Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Anti-Aging Body Lotion, which I need all of that. And again, this is a really big size. It's a 3.3 ounce. This is what caught my eye when I first opened the package, and I'm probably the most excited for. It's the Revive Light Therapy Wrinkle Treatment. I'm not too sure how to use this, but I have seen this before, like the red light therapy. So if you guys want to see a video on this, let me know. I just purchased an at-home microneedling just to kind of help with anti-aging and preventative. So I'm super excited that this is in it. This is perfect timing. So this is just that hydrating water. It's basically just a hydrating, refreshing mist for your skin. Next up, we have 4 silicone straws, so saving the earth 1 straw at a time. I've never tried silicone straws. I've tried metal straws and plastic straws, but I've never tried silicone straws. So this will be cool, and it comes in 4 fun colors. It comes with like the thing to clean it, and it also comes with a carrying case. Super cute. And lastly, we have 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. I love me some masks. You can never have too many masks. Oh, this is so cute. So it comes in pods, and there's 2 different types, and it just comes out like that. And then it also comes with a facial brush, which I love putting masks on because you get it a little bit more evenly and you don't get your fingers dirty. I thought that was it, but I just saw that there's actually something underneath. Oh my gosh! This is by far my favorite box yet. There's Calpak packing cubes at the bottom, and it comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, and it comes in this cute yellow orange ombre color, and It's Cowpack. I don't know. I am always so surprised that they have like these kind of items in boxes. Typically I would think it would be like no name brand stuff. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me make sure there's anything else. Oh wait, there is one more thing. And lastly, it comes with some really cute tea towels. This was by far my favorite box yet. I personally really like this box just because this is more of a lifestyle subscription box. So it's not just makeup with trial size, they're full size products. Like as you can see for this month, I got stuff for my kitchen, I got stuff for traveling, I got skincare, hair care, and they're all pretty good size products. So I'm not sponsored. I pay for FABFITFUN all on my own. This is my 4th box and I've really been enjoying this. I will be doing another box the next season that I do get it, since I will be able to pick my items and get my box a little bit faster. Get first dibs on any of the discounted items. I am super excited about this light therapy wrinkle treatment. So if I like this, if I try it and like it out, I will be doing a review on this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. FABFITFUN. FABFITFUN, yeah. A product. Because the majority